Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambizzares DIY and other stuff. My name is Meeks. I am not going to say what day this is because I have no idea what day I'm going to put this video up. So I have friend mail from Lois. And if you guys are not familiar with Lois's channel, her channel is called Life with Lois's. And I absolutely love watching her. She's a very dear friend of mine. And she sent me something in the mail. So I am super excited to see what's inside. She did send me some pictures of a couple of things that she was going to include in this box. So without further ado, let's check it out. Okay, guys, so normally I like to throw up the box and be like, okay, here's my box, but this one's kind of big and heavy, so I'm not going to be able to do that. But here's my box. So, super big. Yay! And it's actually got some weight to it, guys. So, I'm very, oh. Okay, I just opened it, and I see on the very top, it says, to Noah. So, you guys know that just melts my heart. Anytime you guys include my son. She's got a little piece taped to it that is so cute. Okay, we're going to get to that. Oh, Lois, there's all kinds of goodies in here. Oh my gosh. I was expecting a couple of coats, and she's got all kinds of stuff in here. Oh my gosh, I haven't even opened anything yet. But she has a card in here that says Amber with her lovely little flowers on there. That's how you always know things are from Lois. It's kind of like her trademark, her flowers. She loves gardening. So she has a beautiful garden, of course, when the weather gets nice, because right now there's snow where she lives, so there's no garden that you can upkeep in the winter. But when the weather gets nice, she'll have her beautiful garden up again. So make sure that you guys are jumping over to her channel to check that out. Oh, so cute. Thankful for you, friend. Oh, I love this. Dude, this has like handcrafted, a picture of handcrafted things on here. Look how cool that is. Guys, I'm getting inspiration from this photo. So it is entirely possible you could see something similar to this in a DIY on my channel. Just saying, I get inspiration from all kinds of things. So when I open it up, it says, Amber, hope your Valentine's Day is piled high with God's goodness. Your friend, Lois. I hope you and Noah enjoy your goodies. And then over here it says, love be yours in abundance. Jude 1-2 NRSV. There you go, guys. Exciting! Lois! Oh my god, there's so much stuff in here. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's get started. We'll put the card down there. And the first thing that we're grabbing up here. Oh my gosh, how cool is this? Stop it! Calling all superheroes, suit up! I love it! So it's a little canvas, like art decor kind of thing. Guys, I love superhero stuff. I'm super into superheroes, love the Avengers, all of that kind of stuff. I just think it is so awesome. And I have to carve out a place in, well, my house and or my craft studio for this kind of stuff because I have so much of it that I want to do just like an awesome wall with tons of geeky, awesome stuff. And this is going to fit right in. I'm so pumped. Thank you, Lois. Oh my God, I love this. Is so cute. I absolutely love this. I always struggle with this. Where to put stuff. Can't wait till I get my craft studio done, guys. That is going to be a project that I will be working on this spring. I'm going to completely revamp that outdoor building and I'm going to film it all. And you guys are going to be shocked at the kind of materials I'm going to use to do it. But we'll get to that later on in the spring. I can't wait to do it. So then we have this, ooh, this is a nice bag. Like you put it in your folder. So it says good vibes. Yeah, see how it has the prongs? So you can put it in, you know, a binder. That's the word I'm looking for. And there's stuff in here. Woo! So let's open it up and see what she's got in here. All kinds of goodies. What? Okay, so we have Bye Bye Under Eye. Oh, yes, I always need correctors. Full coverage, anti-aging, waterproof concealer. Yeah, It Cosmetics. It Cosmetics is the bomb. Dude, I am super excited about this. Look at that, guys. Yes! Guys, this is awesome. Oh my gosh. And then we have some liquid glitter eyeshadow. Oh my God, that sounds incredibly fun. It says it's 24 karat gold by e.l.f. Stop it! Guys, we might have to swatch this. Like, I don't want this video to get too long, but I might have to just take a break for a second, and we might have to swatch this puppy, because I am very curious about it. Ooh, cruelty free. Okay, let me... Guys, I got it. I'm sorry. I have to swatch it. I am just so curious about it. Oh, how fun is this? It's like a nail polish little bottle here. That is so cool. So let's open it up. Yay! Look at that, guys. Okay, here we go. Guys, this is going to be so fun. This is going to look great on my eyes. I hope you guys are getting that because this is friggin' awesome. Yeah! Thank you, Lois. I'm super excited about that. So fun. Okay, and then we have Argan Wear. This is Argan Oil BB Concealer. So this is a physician's formula, which is also a great brand. I've never used anything like this before, so I'm excited to give it a try. Awesome. Yay! Oh, this is so awesome, guys. Okay, and there's one more thing in this. I haven't even got to the coats yet, guys. Lois, too much. Super cute eyelashes. Oh, wait, they're magnetic. Yes, they're magnetic. These ones look like I might be able to pull them off. We'll have to see. But, yeah, here you go. Eyelashes. Now, I don't wear eyelashes very often, guys, because I'm not very good at putting them on. These ones are magnetic, though, so I'm pretty sure they are. I could be wrong. Does it say it on there? I don't know, but I'll give them a try. We'll see how that goes. Okay, so that was a lot of fun goodies. Unexpected fun goodies, Lois. What the heck? Oh my gosh, this is too much. Oh my gosh. Okay, so then we have a super cute, stop it. It's a Friends shirt, extra large, and it's, you know, the, what's the word I'm looking for? The TV show. Friends! Yay! Bright yellow t-shirt. How cute is that, guys? Super cute. Love it, love it. Oh, we have a cute pair of earrings. Oh, check these out. Yes! Oh my gosh, yes! You guys seeing these? I hope you guys aren't getting very many glare. These are so cute! I love loud and crazy, guys. The louder, the bolder, the crazier it is, the more likely I am to wear it. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and get to the coats. Oh, these are so beautiful. Yes! Okay, guys, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see in here, but I will do a try on because I told Lois they should fit me. This is a size small Liz Claiborne. Liz Claiborne, size small, and it's got like a velvet feel to it, guys. Look how pretty that is. I told her these will most likely fit me, but you guys know me. If they don't, I'll make them fit. Okay, let's just try it on right now. I don't want to mess with my hair too much because, okay, this is super comfortable. Oh, yeah, look. Look at this. This is fitting me great. You guys can't really see the whole situation, but yeah, this is fitting me super good. We got some pockets in it. Yes! This one's so comfortable, too. Okay, perfect. You were right, Lois. That fits me like a glove. And then we have this right here, which is a Isaac Mizrahi. All right, that's not how he says it. It's Isaac Mizrahi. Live. And this one is a size 6. It has some extra buttons in there. Awesome. So there you go. Yes, these are brand new, guys. With Tash, she told me they were brand new. So cute. Okay. Let's pop this puppy on and see how it looks. Well, you guys can kind of sort of see how it looks. But let's see. Ooh! Okay, the sleeves are just a tad long, which isn't a problem. Everything else fit perfect. This one has a little bit of length to it. All right. Yes. I mean, yes. Okay, I might do a quick try on for you guys at the very end so you guys can see what the coats look like. But these are super cute, and they are fitting me perfect, Lois, so you are 1,000% right about those sizes. Okay, so there's one more thing in here, guys, for my little baby boy. Right here it says to Noah, and she's got it all bubble wrapped up. Let's see. Oh, pencils. And a Spider-Man. I think I might steal it from him. No, I'll give it to my son. I promise I'll give it to my son, but I would like to steal it from him. So we have 3 Superman pencils. So cute. My son is learning to well, he can spell his name and he can write all of his letters and numbers, but I'm working on helping him spell words so that he can say the name and spell it out. I mean, he can do bingo, but what kid can't? Because the song is B-I-N-G-O. So he knows that that's bingo, and he can write bingo as well. So I'm trying to use that song as an example of other things so that he can put it all together. So that's super awesome. And then, it's right there. Yes! Spider-Man! What? This could end up in Mom's, but I promise I will give it to him, Lois. I'm sure that he will absolutely love it. Look at this. Yes! I could totally see this in my thing, but that's okay. I really will give it to my son, Lois, I promise. This is so awesome, and thank you for including my little baby boy. That means the world to me when you guys do that. That is so sweet of you guys. You don't have to do that at all, and you don't have to send me anything, ever. And I appreciate it so very much. You guys are so awesome. I can't believe all of this is so awesome. Lois, wow, you send me a lot of really, really nice things. It makes me, feel bad. Like I should do more, but you are awesome, Lois. I just love Lois to death. Again, if you guys have not checked out her channel, it's called Life with Lois's, and she is just the sweetest, most loyal person I've ever met. So you guys have to check her out. That's all I got for you guys in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! Gorgeous. This box is that just looked so weird because I feel like I'm gonna hit the box. All right, try it again. What's up, gorgeous peep? I'm gonna have to move this box. Try it again. And I have no idea what day I'm gonna put this box on, so I am not gonna say a day. But I got friend mail. Sorry, I got a message. This is already a train wreck. I probably shouldn't film. All right. Okay, guys. So normally I like to throw out my box and be like, okay, here's my box. What? Ah! All right, try it again.